Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria, and today we're making a strawberry cream cheese dump cake. I've never made one before, and it seems to be quite popular, so I'm gonna give it a try. You'll need a yellow cake box mix. I'm using strawberry pie filling, half a stick of unsalted butter, and whipped cream cheese. Now I had some fresh strawberries in the fridge, so I've sliced them up. I'm gonna add that as well. Let's get started. As I'm only using 1 can of pie filling, I'm going to use an 8 by 11 baking dish, which I've already sprayed with some olive oil. If you want to use a 9 by 13 baking dish, then I'd advise using 2 of these cans. We're going to pour our strawberry pie filling to the bottom of the baking dish and evenly spread it out. Never have enough fruit, right? This is totally optional, of course. Now there are different variations you could make. You could make devil's food cake mix with cherry pie filling, or you could make lemon cake mix with blueberry pie filling. Now while I've been preparing this, I've been preheating my oven to 350. Now there's different ways to make this. I can either take the cake mix and just evenly spread it over the cream cheese, and then I could take the chunks of cold butter and evenly distribute them and bake it that way. But I've decided that I decided to melt my butter in the microwave and add my cake mix to it. Mix it all really nicely. Doing this makes it more of a crumble. And we're going to pour it evenly . As our top layer. Okay, it's ready to go into the oven. That's been preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes until the top becomes all nicely golden brown. As I said, I've never made this before, so let's see how it comes out. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. I don't normally bake with strawberry pie filling. I usually use cherry or blueberry, but it smells really, really good. Okay, let's cut out a piece and give it a taste test. It's still hot, or warm anyway. You can see the cream cheese and the strawberry. I've topped mine with some vanilla ice cream. It's still hot, but we're going to give it a test. Very good. Thumbs up for me. I enjoyed this cake even more the next day out of the fridge. I guess because of the cream cheese, it tastes so good when it's served cold. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Bye for now.